I don't think I'm way out of line here when I say that this is probably one of the most exciting and most epic things we've ever done.
Tere, mina olen Ranno.
And hello from Marco.
And welcome to Two Estonian Beards. We are on a road trip to southwestern coast of England.
And in this episode we made our way to Dartmoor National Park.
Yeah, we're gonna do some wild camping, we're gonna see some spectacular scenery, and we're gonna just take it all in and share it with you.
Good morning.
Hello.
We are now at
Canonteign Falls.
So there's one of the biggest waterfalls in UK here, and there's a fern garden.
Yeah, from Victorian times.
Yeah.
Up 90 steps to the garden and then relax later. No relaxing right now. Right now, up we go.
If you're feeling a little bit adventurous, you can hop. What? Oh my gosh! Oh, aren't they just the cutest things ever?
Wildlife.
I know!
I think I found the origin of those three little chicks that we saw down the stream. There's a mama duck with another set of chicks here.
But maybe the duck mama is waiting for the little chickies to return and doesn't want to move, so... Oh, little duckies.
Leave it to you to make it a sad story. As you see, we found the tallest waterfall in England, and now we're gonna make our way up there. So, yet another hike.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
I lost count at some point, but this is 50th step. 40 to go.
For now I have 85 steps, so I'm guessing there's 15 to go, but how do I...
No, but it's 90 altogether now.
It's 90 altogether, but I'm at...
So if you're 85, you only have 5 more steps to go.
Oh yeah.
Maths, mate, maths.
I have none. It's more than 90 steps, that's for sure, already.
So we've now made our way on top of the waterfall and are about to enter the fern garden, which is a Victorian garden of ferns. I have this weird love of ferns. Maybe it goes back to my childhood, because at my grandmother's house in Estonia there used to be this field of ferns, and it brings this warm and fuzzy feeling, so you can say I like ferns. We have now found it. Follow me. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Is it good? Is it good?
Oh, oh.
While I must admit the climb was fun, the views are spectacular down there, but still 90-meter drop, pretty cool.
And the views of English countryside from here are pretty spectacular.
They are pretty spectacular, that is true. Continuing with way down, and we should be heading towards some lakes.
I found a little spider. That spider is bigger than me.
This was Canonteign Falls. Now we are heading towards our car and we're gonna drive deeper into Dartmoor National Park.
We're having lunch and we have the most delightful lunch guests. Lunch is good, taken that we're now going to be almost a day in the forest eating grass. I'm taking everything I can.
We made it up the hill with a bit of swearing and whatnot, but we are here and now we live here. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about camping in Dartmoor. Wild camping is absolutely fine. It's the only place in England where you can do this. Key rule when doing wild camping in Dartmoor is don't disrupt the nature, don't leave anything else but footprints and take nothing but pictures. So basically you have to leave as little impact as possible.
We've set up camp, we're bracing the wind, and this baby is waiting for us.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We have some quite adorable neighbors. We try not to disturb them because, let's face it, they were here first. They are so cute!
And as per plan, there are the horses. They're just roaming at the right distance. So I'm happy.
I don't think I'm able to capture what I see right now, but it has to be one of the most beautiful things I've seen ever. The scenery is amazing. The sunset that is about to happen is just ridiculously gorgeous. Done with the night under the stars, we are packing up. Our camp has been packed up, and once we take our rucksacks away, it's as if we were never here. And never leave trash behind either. Take it with you once you're in a village, toss it in a bin, and off we go. We're gonna have a little walk around this specific area. We're gonna go and see Haytor, and then we're gonna go and get breakfast in the village and continue our day. Hey, look, another climb. So this is Haytor. We are taking the gamble and we're gonna try and climb on top of the rocks. there's a great thing. There are like steps carved into the stone, so it's not that difficult to climb there. But it was a bit of a challenge for me because I don't really feel comfortable with heights, and especially if I can't grab onto anything. So it was a bit of a challenge, but good one and rewarding one, and I'm really happy that I did it. So this was our Dartmoor experience.
Yeah, a little bit of hiking, a little bit of waterfalls.
Lots of tours, lots of mountains, lots of climbing.
Yeah, and we barely touched the surface of the lovely Dartmoor National Park.
That is true. I mean, I fell in love with this place. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah,
We are off to Cornwall now.
so that will be our next video.
So see you soon. Until then, take care of yourself and each other.
Take care of our beards.
And olge muhedat.